The special BGM for Salman Khan, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for coming on stage. How are you doing, sir?
Thank you.
And he's looking
doing
like a
well.
carbon copy, sir, of you. And I have to say,
No. He's not looking like a carbon copy of me. He's looking like a much better version of what he looked in Love Yatri.
how has it been, sir? It's been a tough
जब
time.
खुद की पिक्चर है ना तो कुछ भी बोल सकते हम दूसरों की पिक्चर के बारे में नहीं हम हमारी पिक्चर के बारे में बोलेंगे
लेकिन 1.5 साल लग गया सर ये नया अवतार इसका भी देखने का एंड ऑल्सो फैंटास्टिक अवतार यू नो वी बीन सीइंग लाइक आई सेड कि ट्रेलर तो अभी आएगा बट द मोशन पोस्टर ऑल्सो वाज फैंटास्टिक जिस तरह आंख के अंदर से जा रहा था लिटिल बर्डी हैज टोल्ड मी अ लॉट ऑफ दैट आइडिया वाज आल्सो योर्स कैसा था उसके बारे में सर
यही था कि आजकल हमेशा जब कोई आइडिया आता है जब कोई आइडिया हम सुनाते किसी को तो ऐसा हो गया है कि सर ये नहीं हो सकता स्टार्ट ही नहीं से करते हैं एवरीथिंग इज़ पॉसिबल ट्राई तो करो कोशिश तो करो फिर हमारे वेरी कॉम्पिटेंट टीम्स ने फिर वो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया और आपने वो डिजिटल पोस्टर देखा
you know it's been a long time and it also actors के लिए क्या होता है कि you feel like doing something you know वो थोड़ा सा the nothingness of the time I know it happens with of course everybody went through it but especially for you know the stars of our industry what were you all managing to do in that one was there a lot of script readings was there a lot of thinking back and forth but how did that entire 1 year or you know say about a year and a half go since say Radhe and now what was how was the time being utilized
So I was really lucky with that because Antim has started. तो महेश had finished quite a bit of अंतिम राधे का सिर्फ कुछ ही बाकी था और थोड़ा सा राधे को अपग्रेड भी करना था तो जैसे ये लॉकडाउन पहला वाला बंद हुआ हमने जाके वो कंप्लीट कर दिया फिर महेश एज अ डायरेक्टर इज़ लाइक वेरी बैंग ऑन ही नोज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही वांट्स तो जितना शूट करना था उतना ही शूट करके हमारी ये पिक्चर बन गई सो वी वर लकी that Mr. Manjarkar was on our side, and this is his kind of filmmaking genre, which he's taking it to the next level. So let's see now. आप ट्रेलर वेलर देखोगे आपको 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 पसंद ही आएगा ना हाँ हाँ
The stage is yours. Do join us. Mahesh sir, please do come on stage, sir. नहीं वैसे ये तो महेश सर 5.0 है सर दूसरा महेश सर कहाँ है सर आप इतने फिट लग रहे हैं अलग लेवल रवि बसरूर सर एंड हितेश मोदक डू कम ऑन स्टेज साउंड डिजाइन लिरिक्स music everything Ravi Basroor sir has done lots and lots of questions to ask him as well can I get some more mics as well and of course as our gentlemen make their way on stage Salman sir do come on stage as well sir please yeah congratulations Mahesh sir पहला सवाल सर आपसे एक डायरेक्टर ऑलवेज जब शुरुआत करते हैं फिर वेट कर रहे होते हैं कि कब मैं दुनिया को दिखा सकूं अपना बेबी इसमें काफी समय लग गया बनाते बनाते फॉर द डायरेक्टर आल्सो कंटिन्यूटी मैच करना पेशेंस रखना इट्स अ टफेस्ट जॉब कैसा रहा सर आपके लिए
नहीं आई थिंक द जर्नी वाज बहुत स्मूथ था ये पिक्चर का इनफैक्ट क्योंकि एक तो स्क्रिप्ट बहुत पहले रेडी थी एंड द एक्टर्स वर प्रिपेयर्ड तो आधे से ज़्यादा काम तो मेरा वहीं इजी हो गया था एंड कुछ नहीं कहीं रुकी नहीं फिल्म इन स्पाइट ऑफ देर आर सम फिल्म्स विच गेट लकी इन स्पाइट ऑफ कोविड का ये भी हम लोग बीच में निकल के भी जस्ट फिनिश द फिल्म इन क्वाइट अ डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम एक तो प्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छा था तो एक आधा वरी निकल जाता है ना कि देयर यू डोंट हैव टू यूज योर एनर्जी बाय कि अरे ये मांगता है मेरे को वो मांगता है एंड आई थिंक वी हैड अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट जो जो बेस एक तो इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन समथिंग जो बेस भी अच्छा था तो वी ट्राई टू इनकॉर्पोरेट समथिंग एक उसका बेस लेके द स्क्रिप्ट है शेप्ड अप वेल एंड इट वाज अ फिल्म विच वाज टू माई लाइकिंग और मेरा जॉनर था so I think things were easy and this girl I found new and I think she's going to give a lot of girls a run for their money.
high praise in your first film before I go to the rest of cast sir say बाकी महेश सर कहाँ चले गए ये जो न्यू एंड इम्प्रूव्ड फिटनेस वाला वर्जन जो भी सलमान सर के साथ फिल्म करते हैं सब मतलब ये डाइट और वर्कआउट ही शुरू हो जाता है सर
नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं था but I had worked out just before अंतिम I had lost about 35 kgs But
That itself is a big round of applause for that, sir.
yeah. I
Big,
was
big.
105.
Well done.
But फिर then एक unfortunate thing happened after I finished अंतिम. वो एक ऐसा था कि I was diagnosed with cancer. During, yeah. I shot about the last portion when I had cancer. In fact, I was taking chemotherapy. But then today I'm very happy to tell you that I'm cancer free and
Congratulations, sir. Well done. The fight is always tough.
And he got to know that he had cancer before shooting Antim. He did not tell us, but then we found out. And then, as soon as he finished the first lot of shoot, then he went and got himself operated. And now today he's
Looks fantastic. Salman, sir, always pressure on you whenever you have other faces with you also. There's a matchup, body matchup also. That also happens rarely. How much did you have to work on Ayush to make sure that the matchup worked?
He had I had an advantage of age and experience, and he did have an advantage of enthusiasm and 4 months. Yeah, I started one and a half week before the body shot, and I thought it was going to get postponed by 4 days, but he would not be able to handle those 4 days. So I had to shoot in those 4 days.
Ayush, this is always a big time for you also. Like I said, तुम्हारा इंतजार रहता है कि यार मैं जल्दी जल्दी लोगों के सामने अपने नए अवतार प्रेजेंट करूं. And we were talking about this also last time. आपकी not just body, even the look is a very different look, of course, and it's shades of meanness, negativity, tough action boy, which you aren't in real life. तो कैसा था transformation मुश्किल?
I think it was very different, as you said, that it's not me in real life. So, physical transformation is one aspect of it, but to understand, to do it properly, I think Mahesh sir was very kind enough to help me translate this character. He really helped me on set and used to help me before the shooting began, how to understand what I need to do and how to not make it loud, but make it underplay the whole character. But more than anything, it was Salman Bhai who really inspired. For 2 years when the film was in pre-production stage, he'll constantly keep inspiring that, this is a film that you need to change yourself, do something different. And I think I'm very lucky that, many actors don't get a chance in the second film to change themselves completely. I think I'm very grateful for the makers to give me that opportunity.
I have two opposite brother-in-laws. One is the most patient one, that's Atul, the most impatient one. कब ट्रेलर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब डिजिटल पोस्टर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं शूट, खत्म करो इसको,
But it's worked well,
कब
sir.
रिलीज कर रहे हैं.
Are you happy with the final product of Ayush?
me, if you ask
Both
me,
of you, sir.
Me.
This is the final product. He said you kept inspiring and you were,
No,
it
we
was
were
work in
happy with
progress.
this product when my sister got married to him.
but I
And
will
we are happy
want
with
to-
their products also. Very happy with Ahil and Ayat.
So
but if
this
you ask
production
me,
has done
If
well.
you ask me, I think you expect something. When you're working with an actor, you expect something. This guy will deliver this much, but I think he has far exceeded my expectations. He's fantastic in the film, and I used to take ठीक है, but I want people to see Salman in the film because he's a different Salman in the film, and he has done a brilliant job. So I'm more than happy because I got to work with two guys who I'm very very satisfied when I see the thing. कि I feel कि they've done a great job.
And she's done a brilliant job as well also. Maima, congratulations to the big stage. You're a semi-veteran, film debut, yes, but so for the audiences, like we did this, when did you actually first appear in front of the camera?
Firstly, hi, good evening. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for making our day even more special. Okay, so to answer your question, I started off acting when I was 10.
So this is an easy cakewalk for you then.
Not at all, not at all. First of all, I can't believe that I'm sharing the stage, the screens with the people around me, and it still feels unreal. And let me tell you, it's a dream come true. Never did I think that I will get this opportunity to work with Salman.
Shori nikal gayi.
Arey! Never did I think that I would get an opportunity to work with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, incredible people, and to work on a wonderful script. So it was definitely not a cakewalk for me. It was more about proving myself that सर ने अगर महेश सर ने सलमान सर ने भरोसा किया है तो I should prove myself. And I am, like sir said, you know, the character is extremely, it's a pataka. She was a firecracker. For me to crack her and to pull her off was
very simple.
Oh no.
As you can all see.
So it still feels unreal, and I can't tell you how happy, how emotional. I mean, it's a mixed emotion that I have inside me right now, but I feel incredible and happy, and yeah.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.